In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone and delete a company within HubSpot. This step-by-step guide will help you navigate through the HubSpot interface with ease, making your tasks more efficient and straightforward. Let's dive right in and get started. To begin, you'll want to access the HubSpot interface. Start by heading to the user guide on HubSpot. This user guide is essentially your gateway to accessing all the necessary CRM features we will be using today. Keep this resource handy as it can serve as a valuable reference point. Once you're in the user guide, the next step is to click on CRM. CRM, short for Customer Relationship Management, is where you'll manage all your customer and company-related data. Clicking here will direct you to a dashboard with various options. It's your command center for data organization and management, so take a moment to get familiar with the layout if you aren't already. Now that you're on the CRM dashboard, look for and click on Companies. This section is specifically designed to house information on all the businesses you're dealing with. By organizing data under Companies, HubSpot allows you to maintain clear records of each company's details, helping you keep track of their progress and interactions effortlessly. Next, locate the HubSpot button and click on it. This will bring up a list of options related to the specific company data you're managing. It acts as a navigation tool within the HubSpot ecosystem, connecting you to various functionalities you might need. The next step involves clicking on Actions. You'll find this option typically on the company's profile interface, capturing all the actions you can perform on this company's data. By clicking here, you're essentially gearing up to make crucial edits and changes. Following that, you need to select Clone. Clicking this button will duplicate the company's profile, creating an exact replica of all the saved data. This functionality is particularly useful if you need to create another entity with similar details without having to input everything manually again. It's a great time-saving tool, ensuring that data consistency is maintained across similar entities. Finally, go back to Actions, and this time click on Delete. This will permanently remove the company's data from your records. Be cautious with this step, as deletion is irreversible. Make sure that you double-check before proceeding to ensure you won't accidentally lose important information. With that, you now know how to efficiently clone and delete companies in HubSpot. Remember to always verify your actions and double-check before completing critical actions like deletions. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Stay tuned for more insightful HubSpot guides to streamline your workflows.